Hi, in this short video, I'm going to tell you about the best service from the best freelancer sites category. I make about $90,000 a year from this. It is one of the most popular and well-known services available on the market. Here are 3 features that few people know about, but which make it truly the best in the best freelance sites category. I will leave a link to the official website under this video. Now, let's get started.
99 Designs is a service that uses a competitive model to get several different designs from several different designers in order to find a design that's right for you. It all starts with you providing some basic information about what you are looking for in design. Within hours of creating a new competition, dozens of designers from all over the world will be competing for your business, bringing you many different logo concepts to rate and give you feedback. When you order a design through 99 Designs, the process begins by choosing the type of design you are looking for. Let's say you want to create a new logo. You can submit a design brief and provide information to help the design community understand what you're looking for. As you might have guessed, the more details you provide, the more great starting points you will have for the job. After you provide all the information you need and choose your pricing package, 99 Designs will provide your community with a short description of your design. Designers will appreciate your information and, if they want to get involved, will start creating design concepts and submitting them to you. Once you start getting designs, you can rate your favorites and leave comments about what you like or dislike about each one. It's not unusual to get some pretty good designs. During the first 48 hours, you will be strongly encouraged to leave a lot of feedback and rate each design. The feedback is very helpful for designers to understand whether they are achieving their goals or not. Ultimately, you will be asked to select several designers for your shortlist. After you make suggestions for changing your favorite designs, you will ultimately choose the best design. Once you have selected a winner, you will receive all the final files for your design work, and then you can use those files to upload your final. After you sign the final copyright agreement, 99 Designs will provide the designer with premium funds. There are several different price levels available for a design project with 99 Designs. The lowest price is $299 and the most expensive option is $1,299. Should you decide to use 99 Designs for any logo or other design project, I can't stress enough the importance of getting feedback from your designers when they present their ideas to you. It's not just about saying yes or no to the multitude of designs you get. It's about sharing what you like and dislike about the best designs that just stand out. It takes time, but plays a big role in getting the best end product in every design competition. The more feedback and guidance you provide, the better your end result will be. If you're worried about only getting terrible choices in the competition, don't worry. By default, you have a money-back guarantee when working with 99 Designs. None of the designers on the site are given any guarantees of receiving payment for their work. However, you may lose your money-back guarantee when placing an order. By doing this, you are sending a message to all the designers that you will reward someone. Promising not to rip the carpet out of these designers, putting their time and energy into your design, usually affects how seriously those designers take your project. It's reasonable to assume that the best designers will only consider working on projects that make the most money and offer that kind of guarantee, so it's worth considering if you want the best possible result from your competition. Because of the way 99 Design works, I've noticed a general feeling of disdain and contempt for 99 Designs from other designers on the internet. Since the website makes design work much cheaper for clients like you and me, and also provides many more design options to choose from, I understand why a high-paying designer who usually charges 10 times more for the job would feel threatened and fear. However, from an end-user perspective, such a well-run competition website that actually delivers a reliable end product is a huge value for customers who pay for the work.